man!
Oh my gosh!
My man!
Dude, can we just make this quick? I'm super thirsty. I want something fizzy for my tum-tum. Give me a soda, man. Give me a soda, please.
You can have a soda, Kevin. But first, I gotta tell you a joke.
Oh my gosh. Not this again, dude.
Come on, Kevin. You love me jokes.
Dude, I don't have time for this. I just want a Mountain Dew, okay? Or something.
Kevin! What? It's just one joke, Kevin. It's just one joke.
No. No, you want...
Wait.
What?
I'll give you a soda. Wait, no joke. No joke this time. No joke.
No joke?
No joke.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Alright. Hand it over.
Okay, here you go. I got your soda right here.
Alright.
But first one joke.
Ooh. Hey, you want to watch this?
No, yeah, no, it works.
Cool, yeah. This is actually my favorite show in the world.
Wait, really? Yeah, I gotta be honest with you. I actually haven't seen the most recent season yet, so.
Are you for realsies?
Yeah, no, totally. But it's like all the episodes are the same.
Dude,
so.
this is like the best show ever made.
Yeah, but all the.
Oh wait, let's watch this. Let's watch this. Yeah, let's get it.
Actually, you mind if I get a soda real quick?
Yeah, sure. Whoa, wait. Actually, that's not a good idea, dude.
What are you talking
Dude,
about?
alright, just trust me on this, okay? There's this freaky problem I have with my fridge. I don't really know how to explain it.
You have soda in your fridge, right?
Yeah, I got soda in my fridge.
Soda in your fridge.
See, the problem's not the soda, man. The problem's getting it out of the fridge.
So I walk to the fridge, I open the door, I grab the soda.
Dude,
I
it's
take the
not
soda
that
out.
simple.
Sounds
Listen
like a
to
straightforward
me.
task.
I see, I don't know how to explain it, but just, trust me on this, buddy. Okay? Okay?
I think I can trust myself with knowing how to take a soda out of the fridge.
No, dude. Oh my gosh. You know what? Alright, you win. Let's go.
Okay.
But I'm warning you, okay?
Alright, I'm warned.
Yeah, dude. Okay, be careful.
Stop making this a big
Dude,
deal.
me making a big deal.
Yeah, no, you're definitely making
You're
a big
making
deal.
a big deal right
no,
now.
I'm
Me making a big deal.
No, this is perfectly sensible.
Dude,
I don't
okay,
understand.
all I'm doing is warning you right now. Okay? You just. Alright, let's go. You know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna prove to you what I'm talking about. Just let's do this. Let's go.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Bro, what you talking about? It's just a Coke.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's just a Coke.
No way. That doesn't make any sense.
No, here, let me do.
Oh my god! Oh, what the hell is that thing? What the hell is that? No.
Oh my God.
You got some freaky shit in there, man. That's bad. No, I gotta get out of here.
Don't
Wait,
oh my God.
No, I gotta get
I
out
was
of here.
talking about those things.
No.
Don't touch me, man.
I gotta get out of here.
Don't touch me, man.
Well, no. You listen. I'm never coming here again. What the freak? Oh my god. Oh.
See, man, look what you do, man. You run away my friends. I'm done.
Kevin, I really thought we were best friends, buddy. But I guess all the good times we had meant nothing.
Dude, if I gotta hear one more joke, What the? Ooh, what do we have here?
Dear Kevin, this last one's for you, buddy. No joke this time. From me.
Whatever. Dude, oh my gosh! You would not believe what just happened to me today. It would really make my day to hear a joke right now. Man. Man, maybe I was too hard on that guy. I really do miss him. You mean it? You really missed me? What? You're back! What? Yeah, yes, I mean it, dude. Yes, I can't believe it. Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Don't worry about it, Kevin. Friends again?
Best. F's. Friends. Best friends, man. You and me, dude.
How about a cold one to celebrate?
Come on. You know, I'd love to. You know, I saw that soda from a while back.
Great.
Ooh. What was that?
Forgot to tell you I shook that one up before I left because I was mad at you.
No worries, man.
How about a nice new one? No games this time.
Yeah, sure, I'll take that one.
But first a joke.